Well, next up, we are going to be hearing about Hyundai Hope on Wheels. Hyundai Hope on Wheels recently awarded Hackensack Meridian Children's Health at Joseph M. Sanzari's Children's Hospital two generous grants, a $400,000 Hope Scholar research grant and a $100,000 impact grant. Here to tell us more is Executive Director of Hope on Wheels, John Guastaferro, and Dr. Burton Appel, Associate Professor of Pediatrics at Hackensack Meridian School of Medicine and Joseph Sanzari's Children's Hospital. Welcome to the show. Thank you for being with us this morning.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Well, Guastaferro, we wanted to start with you. What is Hyundai's Hope on Wheels and what does it do?
Absolutely. Hyundai Hope On Wheels is a nonprofit foundation, part of the car brand Hyundai, started in 1998. So for 26 years, we've been helping kids fight cancer, and we primarily do this by funding innovative research, which helps drive new treatments and cures and everything in between. There's a lot of kids out there. Every 36 minutes, a kid's diagnosed with cancer. We want to make a difference, and we're doing that.
That's amazing. And I'm just wondering, what was the specific inspiration behind starting this nonprofit? Was there a specific event or someone that had this passion in their heart?
I guess like a lot of things, it started small. In a New England area, a couple Hyundai dealers wanted to donate to a local children's hospital, and they felt good doing it. They made a difference, and more dealers want to get involved. And then eventually, over the years, all 830 Hyundai dealers now contribute to this cause. And as we've learned from a federal level, from the National Institute of Health, only 4% of cancer funding goes to childhood cancer. And that's where we realize, wow, we're making a difference. We're this like in the corporate world that we could really make a difference where it's needed most for childhood cancer.
And Dr. Appel, what strides are being made with these funds, and how does it, help Hackensack Meridian Children's Health?
Right. So, as you mentioned, there's two parts to this Hyundai grant. One very important part is to help us fund basic lab research, which is crucial, to moving treatment improvements in cancer in general, and particularly for rare cancers like pediatric cancers. So one of my colleagues, Dr. Zakshevsky, is doing some really wonderful work in immunotherapies. But what I can speak to more, because I'm a clinician, is last year and this year, we've been fortunate to benefit from the Hyundai funding for a specific population of our patients, considered adolescents and young adults, what we call AYAs. And they're the kids and young adults 15 years and up who are significantly affected by a diagnosis of cancer, not just because they have a significant illness, but it's so full of life interruption. And all of us who know adolescents, have been adolescents, know it's a time of tremendous growth, uncertainty, exploration, and then suddenly, if you're hit with a cancer diagnosis, everything comes to a halt. And that this population really needs extra resources. And so we've been able to use the Hyundai funding to jumpstart our program by hiring a nurse navigator to work with our AYA patients to find out really more about what their needs are and help them to navigate this very difficult experience. And it's really already made a difference. And we're very excited that we're going to be able to move forward with this program.
Well, Dr. Appel, I think it's so important that you're talking about not just treating the symptoms and the disease itself, but helping patients essentially live their life to the best of their ability within this difficult situation. John, I'm wondering, how did Hyundai Hope on Wheels partner with Hackensack Meridian Children? How did that partnership come to fruition?
Absolutely. Well, we choose exemplary partners doing great work in this field, and they're among 175 institutions across the nation that we fund. And as Dr. Appel said, from the impact they provide and the support with a nurse navigator and other mechanisms, and as well as research. And they've been a partner with us since 2012. And over that course of time, we've awarded $850,000. And we know when we put that money in the hands like Children's Meridian Health, that they're going to truly make a difference. And I'm happy to say this year marks a milestone for Hyundai Hope on Wheels. We've been doing this since 1998. Over that course of time, have awarded $250 million in funding to organizations like this, and we're so thrilled to do this. So thank you.
That is amazing.
That sounds incredible. Yeah, it really is. So where can we learn more information?
Absolutely. Go to HyundaiHopeOnWheels.org and follow us on social at Hyundai Hope on Wheels.
Well, Dr. Appel and John Guastaferro, thank you so much for joining us today on the New Jersey Morning Show.
Yeah, thank you very
so
much.